Guys, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this ORICO hard drive enclosure. This is a hard drive case for 3.5-inch hard drives or desktop hard drives, and it is also compatible with SSDs and 2.5 inches hard drive as well. Over here you can see the model number. The MRP is around 2000 rupees and latest manufacture. By the way, the product is made in China. It's a Chinese company. They do make some good quality hard drive enclosures for all variety of hard drives, including SSDs, NVMe drives, and larger drives. This is the power cable. It does not have an external power brick. It's all inbuilt, so you just have to plug it to the wall socket. It supports 110 to 220 volts AC. Now this is the USB 3 type A to type A cable. This cable connects between the hard drive and the computer or laptop. The length of the cable is around 3 to 4 feet, and the length of the power cable is around 5 feet. And you have some instruction and installation manual. The installation, as per the company, is toolless. You just have to put in the hard drive and slide the case over it. It's that simple. No tools are required. The company claims a 1-year warranty, but there is no service center nearby, so I don't know how you're gonna claim the warranty from them. Anyway, there are 3 main things in the box: the hard drive case, enclosure, and 2 cables, one power cable and one data transfer cable. Now I got this, MRP is 2000 rupees. I got this for 1500 rupees, almost 25% discount, which is a good price compared to other offline sellers who sell skeptical and other unknown brand hard drive cases. The whole case is made of ABS plastic, and it has got rubber standoffs so that it doesn't slide over the desk. Now this is how you slide open the case. I'm disappointed in the build quality. The plastic quality is not that good. It's very flimsy, especially for the price you paid. 1500 to 2000 rupees, or around $20. It's kind of I should have expected a little better quality, but the quality is subpar. Now on top you have the LED indicator and the power button. At the bottom you can see the air vents for cooling down the hard drive. This is my 2 terabyte desktop hard drive. Now it does come with pre-applied cushions to reduce vibrations while the hard drive is on. Now installation is pretty simple. As you can see, just slide it in and it secures into place. Now just slide over the cover and you're done. The vents are to cool down the hard drive, and the 2 ports are there in front. Now this is how the USB cable plugs in and the power cable. Now you're ready to use the hard drive. Now I'm gonna plug into my computer and turn it on. When you have turned it on, the power LED or the power light will turn on. It's a blue LED. And when the hard drive is detected in the computer, when it starts reading data or writing data, red color LED starts blinking, which is the activity LED. Now I'm gonna run some benchmarks on this hard drive. Now the company hard drive speed claimed is around 200 to 220 megabytes per second. Now there will be a slight 10 to 15% reduction in speed via the USB 3 connection compared to a SATA connection. So as you can see, 180 to 175 Mbps read and write, which is pretty good for an external hard drive. Now I'm gonna copy some files from my desktop hard drive to the external drive. As you can see, it gives a constant high speed. Now I'm going to copy some larger files. As you can see, it's around 9.5 gigabytes into the external drive. Here you can also see the speed, the copying speed is constant, and there are no dips or fluctuation in the speed, so the external hard drive is actually performing quite well. Now I'm going to delete the files in my internal hard drive, and I'm going to cut and paste the copied files from my external ORICO drive to my desktop's internal drive. Now we're going to see how it copies back into the drive. Now there are some speed dips in between, but again it is performing as expected compared to other brands like Seagate and Western Digital. And I have to say ORICO did a good job, but in terms of the quality of the case, it's extremely, how would say, mediocre. I would recommend you can get this for yourself and use it, and that's my suggestion. Hope you guys like my video, and like and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.